Hi, my name's Christos, and this is the Internet of Things webpage, presented by the IoT Club. As displayed, this is the index of our website. The top of the page and consistent throughout the webpage is the nav bar, or navigation bar. Each menu item has been linked to its respective webpage. Similarly, our title cards beneath the heading have been linked to the subsequent web pages. Within the footer, our promise to you, the web users, as well as a link to our email right here. As will be further discussed, a background graphic and overall styling has been included in our index and the rest of our website to give the entirety of the website a specific look and feel onto the topic page.
Hello, this is Simran going to brief you about the topic page of our website. This web page has been made with the use of HTML markups, and a lot of elements have been used. First, there is a heading followed by a different set of images, and the zoom over effect on the images has been set up as an enhancement. Followed by this are different set of section tags giving the description about the Internet of Things. And a site has also been included here describing perhaps the lead pioneer of the IoT, Kevin Ashton. Further down the page, a table has been included listing various IoT devices and their attributes. Additionally, an image briefly describing the benefits of IoT has been included. Finally, for the topic page, the relevant and aforementioned header and footer has been included in all its functionality.
Hello, my name is Nur Najwa Ashila. I'll be explaining the enhancement page for our IoT website. In this page, we have two different sections explaining the Bootstrap and the CSS. Well, apparently for implementing this page, we have used Bootstrap for the navigation bar. As you can see, it is a fixed navigation bar, and so when you scroll down, the navigation bar sticks on top of the window. Plus, we also use the enhancement of collapsible bar, which collapses when we minimize the window. In this part, we add a brief explanation about the data toggle and data target. Next, for the CSS part, we actually explaining what is it about the CSS and how we use it in designing the website. Well, in CSS, we basically use so many different classes to make a change on the font size for certain paragraph, adding an image background, font color, etc. However, the unique part of this is that we insert some animation in the page. If you notice, we make multiple animation in different parts in the topic page as explained by other members. As such, when we hover over the element, we will notice that the element will zoom in as soon as the cursor is hovered. Not only that, we also insert a transition in which can be seen when we change from another page to go to another page. We also insert some link from the third party to the perspective section. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hey everyone, my name's Harper and I'll be introducing our quiz page. So first off, we've got the details section where users can enter their name, surname and student ID. And input masks and validation rules have been used for all of these. So for example, if I try to type more than 10 digits for the student ID, it won't let me. Question 1, we have a drop-down menu allowing only one selection. Similar for question 2, we use radio buttons and users can select one answer. Question 3, we've used checkboxes where users can select multiple answers. Question 4, we simply require a text input. And finally for question 5, a range input has been used, so users' selections correspond to the numbers down the bottom. And finally, submit and reset buttons are down at the bottom. And every question needs to have been answered for the submit button to work. But we can reset anytime. Thank you.
So for the CSS, it is consistent through the entirety of the web page. A background graphic has been included fitting the theme of Internet of Things. Also for the titles, we have consistently used Times New Roman, so the same font throughout the website for the titles. And then we also use a universal selector for everything other than the title, such as the paragraph, heading 1, heading 2, to make it all the same font, which is Calibri. We also made class ID selectors, such as for the quiz section, there's an all quiz ID selector with the text aligned center, and quiz details ID selector with display inline block, margin 30px, and text align right. For class ID selectors, we also use it for our logo, the topic page, and the index page.